So I posted a video of me unboxing some new fragrances from Wholesale Supplies Plus, and one of those fragrances was called Beach Walk Bliss. I was in the mood to do a mermaid soap, and the first thing that came to mind was Little Mermaid. I wanted to have different layers of blue. The layers are supposed to represent the deep blue sea and some waves. So this column that I'm sticking in here is in the shape of a fish, and I've colored to look like flounder, texturizing each of these layers in between to get kind of some waves in there. Back to the fragrance. It has notes of beach flowers, pink lily petals, bright lemon, sparkling pear, earthy driftwood, and sheer musk. I was just imagining the scene where Ariel comes onto the beach and she has legs and she can walk on the sand for the first time. So, Beach Walk Bliss. So once I got my different layers of blue to represent the sea, I wanted to do a layer on top to look like sand. To achieve that, I used some titanium dioxide and a little bit of this like honey blush color. And for texture, I've got some flaxseed powder to look like grains of sand. The Little Mermaid part is very subtle in the design, but if you know, you know. So once I get this sculpted, I had these little purple melt and pour soap shells to stick on top. And of course, lots of glitter. There's still one final detail to add. I'm really bad about doing these voiceovers, mostly because I'm like people don't care, and secondly because I'm lazy. But here's how the Little Mermaid inspired soap turned out. Even better than I had imagined. In fact, I'm kind of mad I only made 12 bars. One final step though, we have to add the Little Mermaid tail to the front. If you're interested in grabbing one of these limited edition bars, head over to our website. Let me know in the comments if you are as excited as I am to see the new Little Mermaid live action film. Want to see me make more soap? Be sure to like and follow. Otherwise, I have no motivation to keep doing these. Gotta get a really nice up-close shot. I love how these turned out. I hope you do too, and I'll smell you later.